Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to use Google Sheets for project management. And here, the best part, we will be using a free template to spend things up. So this website is an amazing tool for managing projects, keeping track of tasks, and collaborating with your team in real time. And it's completely free, guys. So by the end of this video, you will know how to set up a project tracker, manage the deadlines, and use some handy tricks to stay on top of your work. So, of course, the first thing you need to do here is you need to open up the Google Sheets here. You can head over to sheets.google.com and then, of course, sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, guys, the first thing you need to do here is you'll be able to see here, you can either start a new spreadsheet or use a template on this website. So here you need to click on template gallery at the top right. This is where you will find a bunch of useful templates made by Google and other contributors. So today we are going to use a website which is this one, which named Project Tracking. But you can also feel free to explore others if you needed something more specific. So here, once you click on it, the template will open as a new document. So this is what it looks like: a clean, simple, and of course ready to use. So here, guys, what we need to do here is we will just edit some names here. So at the top, guys, we have the project title and of course the summary section where you can input the project's name and a short description. So below that, guys, you'll also see a timeline that helps track milestones and deadlines. So here, guys, let's start by customizing this template to fit our project. So here I am going to create here as an example, guys. So for the summary, guys, you need to add a quick description. For example, creating, editing, and publishing 3 tutorial videos for January. So this is an example, guys. But on this template, we are going to edit the project details. Here, the status, the priority, the start date, the end date, then of course the duration. So here, I'm gonna be putting here my title on this project tracking. So for example, that one is coffee roasted improvement. So here you can also put here your project manager. So this will be depending on your template, guys. So here, guys, you can add tasks to your timeline. In left column, guys, you can list out key tasks like script writing, filming, editing, and of course publishing. And over here, guys, you will set deadlines for each task. You can use the start date, guys, start date, and in the end date columns to keep track. So here, guys, the Google Sheets will automatically adjust the bars on the timeline based on the dates you enter. So it's a pretty cool, right? So what you need to do here next is let's make this timeline even easier to read by color coding different types of tasks. So here, guys, in this tutorial, you can also create a task like script writing and filming blue, and of course technical tasks like editing and uploading orange. So for you to do that, guys, you just need to highlight the row, click on the paint bucket, and you just need to choose a color, and it's simple but super effective for visual clarity. Here, guys, in using conditional, so here you can add some conditional formatting to highlight overdue tasks automatically. So here you can select the end date column, click format, then of course conditional formatting. Also here, guys, you can choose date is before today and set the color to red. So as you can see here in this video, I am editing this part, and now if any task passes the deadline, it will turn red. So this is a lifesaver for staying on track. So here, guys, one of the best things about Google Sheets is a real-time collaboration. Let's say you want to feedback on the editing schedule, you can right click a cell and choose add comment to leave a note for your editor. Here, and they will get notified and can reply directly. And here guys, if you want to track task completion, you can add a checkbox column. Just highlight a new column. You can click insert and select checkbox. Now as you complete tasks, you just need to check them off, and I think it's incredibly satisfying. So here guys, when you are ready to share this with your team, you can click on the share button at the top right. So here you can send email invites or create a shareable link. And of course guys, don't forget to adjust permissions, viewer, commenter, or the editor. So this will be depending on how much control you want to give here. So here guys, and this part is, as you can see here in my video. So what I'm gonna do here is I will be going here. So here I am editing here to have a more legit tutorial. So here guys, you can also see here, once you click on the template, you will be able to see here a new document. But take note guys, you can also create a blank document guys for you to have your own column depending on you. So here guys, you can also add a simple risk register, a great way to stay ahead of potential issues. In the new sheet guys, you'll create columns for risk description like likelihood, impact, owner, and mitigation plan. So by keeping track of risk, you can ensure nothing catches you off guard. So here guys, of course, one of the best things about Sheets is real-time collaboration. Let's say you want to feedback on the editing schedule. Of course, you can right-click a cell and choose add comment to leave a note for your editor. Here's a cool trick guys, you can link data between sheets. If you want to pull budget info into your main project plan, you just need to type the equal icon and click the relevant cell in the budget sheet. And that's it guys. You now have a fully functional project management. So here, this is a tool right inside Google Sheets and it didn't cost you a thing. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video and goodbye.